So thank you, Sir Sen. The clinic is in 401 Robinson Cybergate, diri sa Cebu City. And typically we are here Monday and Friday, 10 to 2:30. We also do online consultations for patients outside Cebu. So yeah, click the link below po. Daghantag mga pangutana na tubagon. Next question is from Sir Jefferson Santiago. I'm both hip replacement. So baka na hip replacement, both hips na. Is it possible to have multifocal AVN? So ano ba ibig sabihin ng AVN? It is the death of the bone. So pwedeng yung hips, usually na hip replacement kasi si Sir Jefferson. AVN is the death of the bone, the hip bone, usually the femur head. Multifocal meaning many areas of the bone or the body are affected by this dying bone. Pwede po yan, Sir Jefferson. Again, ano ba yung causes ng AVN, Doc? Pwede smoking, pwede lifestyle drinking. It's also possible that you had trauma can cause it. So maraming different causes ng AVN, even mga cancers and blood problems. If you have blood disorders, pwede kasing mag-AVN in different bones of the body. So hope you are well, Sir Jason, and hope po this helps you. Ma'am Rhea from Ormoc City. Good evening po, Ma'am Rhea, no? And Ma'am Rhea is asking, ano ba yung ask ni Ma'am Rhea? Let's see. Doc, arthritis po di ay na ang musakit ang bugan kay mao na gipaminaw sa ako mama karon. So, yes, Ma'am Rhea, definitely sakit sa bugan, sakit sa kanang punuan or singit sa Tagalog. It can be one of the number one symptoms, but also naanay mabikog na feeling. Pareha nagipangutana ganina ni Ma'am Lorna about sa iyang bana na naay rheumatoid arthritis. You have muscle tightness, stiffening around the thigh. So thigh muscles and sometimes even the knee muscles and knee are affected by hip arthritis. It's called referred pain muna, the pain magdagandagan. So pwede na sakit sa singit or sa bugan and goes to the thigh down to the knee po, especially the inner side of the knee. Guys, the time check is 6:26 and we have to move on kay naa pa tayong mga pangutana for the ACL Reconstruction Community Cebu. So, ACL, katuhod na to, Sir Ja is asking, Doc, muluag ba ang screw after my ACL like when I exercise? So, Sir Ja, typically, di yun na muluag if the screw is well fixed during surgery, that we actually allow for certain patients full range of motion, mapiko-piko na. So even if you have a screw in your knee, we can bend it and you don't have to worry. The best thing that you can actually do is ask your surgeon if it was well fixed. If he gives you the go signal, pwede naman. You don't need to worry. In certain cases naman,